salt in your honey and watch what happens. Drop a spoonful of raw honey in a bowl, add a pinch of salt,
and the juice of half a lemon. Mix it together. Take a spoon in the morning and another before bed.
I've used this for generations, and what this little mix can do will surprise you. It can help calm a dry cough that will not quit, help soothe that burning in the throat, help loosen the phlegm that sits heavy in your chest, and help your airways finally start to clear. Simple ingredients, no pills, no doctor's visit, just what God put on this earth to help the body heal itself. Comment yes if you are trying this and follow along for more natural remedies using things already in your home.